apparently someone is going to check on the station for news because I make the funniest. But um, I'm too blissed out to check it this morning. What I got when you sent me there was the anarchist subscribe button, and I have some notes on it and a poem to read. The anarchist subscribe ISBN. Pascal Sisvius Pope died. We're happy about that. Best mayor, best beer. No, he starts out with you gotta do everything real fast. Karate. Ooh, and I've experimented with my calendar being suggesting more space in it, and then pulled off the project before I was even done with the day, saying, no, in this day and age, you don't have to fast all day. But I was doing everything real fast, so maybe that was part of it. And I was just standing there drinking water. The fume, by the way. And he brought up a couple morning issues on the morning news. Good morning. Plagiarism. Plagiarize me. Be inspired by someone else's art. It's counterintuitive because you see how we study. School always sources previous studies, and it's quite ridiculous you're not given to make your own statement ever in English, technically. It's always from someone else's work, and I think it's a sign that perhaps this is not the first time the world went round. I don't know how many times, given that we started with oil paintings of fruit and naked ladies and ended in uh, abstract art. That's what it's called. Abstract art. Wouldn't abstract art have a following the whole way? Why did they always change up? What was so sad about all those women in mourning in the Venetia era that preceded it? Well, it was possibly meant to be, and it will be again. Okay.